Today, our topic is sentences. Sentences. There are four types of the sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. First, we talk about assertive sentence. The main features of assertive sentence uh, is it starts with capital letter. So the assertive sentence starts with capital letter, it ends with full stop. It may be affirmative or negative. I have written two examples here. The first one, the crow is black, the swan is not black. So in this, I have written one negative word, so that's why it is negative sentence, and first one is affirmative. But the both sentence are assertive sentence. Assertive sentence denotes two things. It has assertion or declaration. Assertion, that means statement which is on the factual base. Statement is delivered by someone. So in this, assertive sentence is used. Second one, declaration. When someone makes some declaration, in this situation we can also use assertive sentence. Second type of the sentence is interrogative sentence. It is used to ask question. There are two types of the question: WH question and yes no question. WH question, the question which starts with W and H word. Example: when, who, why, what, which, whose, how much, how many. So all these questions are known WH question. They are used to get information. Example: when did you come here? When did you come here? The person wants to get information about his arrival. But the next one is yes no question. Yes no question start with auxiliary verbs, to be verbs, and modal verbs. The answer what we will get in yes no question are yes and no. Here I have written one example: did you not go there? So it starts with did, and yes no question is used to make confirmation, and the answer will be yes and no. So for confirmation, yes no question is used, and for information, WH question is used, and it ends with question mark. If there is no question mark, it is not interrogative sentence. So it is compulsory. In interrogative sentence, we must have to make question mark at the end of the sentence. The third sentence is imperative sentence. The main characteristic of imperative sentence is that subject is not written in imperative sentence. It starts with verb and ends with object. It includes order, command, request, instruction, proposal, suggestion. All these things can be expressed through imperative sentence. It may be affirmative or negative. I have written two examples: go out at once. So we can make order like this, and instruction: don't go there. So this type of the sentences are used in imperative sentence. Subject is not written there. It starts with verb and ends with object. The last sentence, exclamatory sentence. It shows our sudden feeling of joy, admiration, surprise, wonder, grief, regret, sadness. All these feelings can be expressed by using exclamatory sentence. Exclamation mark is used in exclamatory sentence. Uh, First example, what a lucky man he is. And at last, I have done exclamation mark here. To show the grief, alas is used, and the last it ends with full stop. But where the exclamatory word is used, we have to make exclamation mark. There are the different exclamatory words like what, how, alas, hurrah, and all this type of the words are used to show uh, our sudden feeling of joy, happiness, regret, admiration, and surprise. There is also one of the sentence, optive sentence, most probably to give blessing and for prayer. Uh, when some sentences are used, optive sentence is used, but in today's lecture, we only get the information about this four type of the sentence. Thank you.